Hi guys, this is Vikander, and this video will be about how to install, configure Elasticsearch and how to exploit it also, and how can an attacker find Elasticsearch online using sensors. So this will be the video, and that's all. Let's start. Begin. And I will be also using ChatGPT for installing and configuring also. So let's see step by step. Begins. Sorry. So the game begins. So this is the AWS instance that I have created specifically for this video, and this is the public IP and everything. And don't worry about the public address. I'm gonna delete the instance as soon as the episode is over. And by the way, this is my first episode. So what to do? Connect. Let's connect it through the terminal. Here is the terminal. Okay. Let's go to the download section because that's where my key pair is there. The key pair is elastic.pim. Now run. Okay. Yep. It is now done. Connected through the terminal. Command. Now let's use the ChatGPT. I want to install Elasticsearch. Here. Give me the commands. Let's say give me open JDK. Let's see, but first let's start with this one. Okay, it's upgrading. Please let it be done faster. Okay. 99, 100. Yeah, done. Let's see if Java has been installed or not before installing. It's installed. Java not found. That is bad. But let's see. It's a Elasticsearch 8 Plus comes with bundle with its own JDK, but it's good to have Java installed. Let's see if at last if JDK is needed, then we will go for it. Done. There it is. Tagging it. Done. Update. Sudo update. I think. I don't know what the error is, but it's stalling. Let's it begin. So, truth to be told, by Elasticsearch is being used by many people like around the world. It is very fast in data handling, data processing, and everything. In my experience, many people for like easy usage, they sometimes I'm not given like Elastic. They sometimes don't give like username and password to Elasticsearch, and they got exposed to Censys or Shodan. In it, users will have easily have the username and data whatever they have in the Elasticsearch, and user can publish some bad data also, like junk data and everything else. So by the way, I'm just talking here so that the installation get over so that we can move forward. So I'm just passing time. Let's see. It's thinking 60%. For bug bounty purposes, let's say you were trying to find a vulnerability on a website and you found that they are using an Elasticsearch using whenever if you try to do like subdomain enumeration and everything else there, you found that they are using Elasticsearch. Oh, it's done. You guys can try to like after finding the Elasticsearch you can try to exploit it. Let's see the configuration first. Now it's done. Now it's done. Done. Oh god, let it be done. Let's see, I'm trying to think about an hypothetical scenario. There is like a website and an attacker is able to find Elasticsearch interest, and there if there the attacker can find the usernames or full names, email ID, it will be like a gold mine for scammers. I don't know, maybe more organization needs to take care of the security seriously. So it's done. Localhost 9200. 9200 is the protocol generally by default is used by Elasticsearch. It's coming empty. Maybe it's on HTTPS. One two seven 0.0.1. Still insecure. Yep, I'm coming. So that means by default Elasticsearch is coming with authentication. So why people turn off authentication and use it? Man, that's lame. Let's see. Let's see if I can if I can access it or not from here outside. There can be. We can go back there in the instances. I think. Yep, here. Let's see. Nope. So let's see what's the issue. The instance let's see the inbound and outbound rule. Networking. Yep, it's only in the port 22. You can see that port 22 is the only one that is there. Let's go to the security launch wizard. Launch wizard is there. Here it is. Sorry, I'm turning it up. And here it is, only port 22 is allowed for inbound, and for outbound, all traffic. Let's give something. Let's see, all traffic and 00. Now let's go there and try to. I really need to configure everything there. Aha. But I don't know the username and password. Let's see. How to username or password. Password. How to reset the password. Let's see. Let's try the first thing. I don't think this was the first one will work. There is something there. We will not generate a password for the Elastic buildings for users, so we can automatic there's a terminal rest. Man, if they also not able to give the password, what's the point? Let's see. Let's reset the password only. Yes. The new password is this. Let's go. Elastic, and the password is that, whatever I have copied. Yep. Here also I want to say something like you can, for safe usage, you can change the traffic, or you can give the particular IP address here, which will be the only one that can like access it, your own IP address. So that is something that you can do, which will be very secure, because you will be the only person who will be accessing, we can access this here. You can also go for the type of traffic that you want to allow for inbound, meaning let's say if you only allow, like for example, SMB client, SMB protocol, then only SMB first will be done on this protocol 445. So that way. And if you leave the thing instance alone, it will be like secure, very much secure, because it has, let's say for example, if you don't disallow the authentication, then it will be very much secure, and with the help of the inbound rules also, a user can secure their Elasticsearch index very much. So this is the installation and configuration part, and the next part will be go for the exploitation using Burp Suite and how to find these devices online. Okay, next part. This part, the exploitation part. Let's see. Right now I will open up and turn on Bob Suite Community Edition. And I have also opened up the Mozilla browser because I have configured it with my Mozilla, because I'm very much comfortable on the Mozilla with Bob Suite. So let's think again. So here it is. Let's see how the username and password is going on. As I remember, the username was Elastic because that is the most common one, and the password is this one. Man, this is a very random string. Okay, that's it. Let's say there will be two type of exploitation right now. As first I will show you if the username and password is set here, how can you try to access it. So the simple way is like brute forcing. Let's use brute forcing using Bob Suite. This is the request. If we go and send it to the repeater, send it and analyze it, this is the authorization header, authorization basic. Let's see how it is going on there. If we send it to decoder, and I think this is base 64, sorry. So here it is, Elastic, and this one we can exploit it. Let's say somebody has changed the password to something they want, admin1234, something like that. Let's see. For that we will send this request to intruder. In intruder, this request has been selected. Now what I will do is that I will paste the password, list of passwords here. Where can I get the password? There is a very good repository, Cyclist. There you will get common password. But you can try is that, let's say for testing purposes only. Let's get this one. Copy. And paste. Let's put in the password here with this intruder. Paste. Now let's add a payload processing rule. Just turn it up. Payload processing rule. What will be the payload processing rule? Let's add prefix elastic s2. It's prefix or suffix? I think prefix. Let's see. And another thing will be encode in base 64. I think what this configuration will do is that with every password it will add the prefix elastic and it will change this into base 64, the whole thing. Let's see by starting the attack. Okay, start. Why is not starting? Okay, it has already started. Okay, it has already started. Sorry. Let's go ahead. This one. See, the status code is 401. You can see the authorization here, or header is completely changed. If you decode it like in decoder, and decode as base64. You can see this is trying. Elastic is to ABC 1 to 3. Let's go back here. Yeah, since this is the right password, it gives the status was 200. Okay, but still it's very hard to do that because the guessing of the password is bad. The password string is so strong, it will be very hard to exploit it. No, it's okay, no worry, let's discard it. Now let's try to configure the Elasticsearch index without authentication. Then I will show how can you try to exploit it. Let's do. Now I will see how can I stop the authentication at the Elasticsearch. I want it without authentication. Let's see. Completely disable authentication. Security enable false. False. Okay. Okay. Got it. Let's find this thing. Look, this is path. Budget. Yep. Hash. Oh, not hash. It is supposed to be false. Let's save it. I think restart. We can restart. Is the right one? Oh, here it is. I think it's the same. Please let it be done. Please, please. Let it be done, let it be done. Don't take too much time. I have a YouTube video to make. So what I'm saying is that if you find an Elasticsearch indexes without authentication, what you can do is that you can add garbage data, delete all the data, delete all the indices. Ah, it's done. Let's see. It's happening on HTTP and it is without any authentication. So for this, I think I have something I should go about. Let's say I have a medium one. I want to show you this blog because this is my blog and I want to promote it. So thank you. So this is the query. Let's say attacker can dump all the data in this query. Attacker can dump all the data. Let's see. There is no data. Let's ask ChatGPT how to see all the indices. Elasticsearch query to see all the indices. indices. It's bad habit of mine. Oh, can I do this way? See. Now. Oink. Okay. Okay, the method get. Let's go back to the medium block. Let's change it to ABC post. Okay, I have written it put. It says acknowledge true. Let's see the list of indices. Copy URL, open up. So I have created a new indices ABC. You can see. ABC 1. What will happen if I do put there? Post here. Okay. Let's see. Why this? Let's ask ChatGPT. Why this? Okay, my bad. Okay, request body is this. See. Oh, what's the issue now? Oh, dog. Sorry, my mistake again. Content type. Application JSON. Yep. Yeah. Done it. Now, if I go back here, this is where it's acknowledged. Let's go back. I want the first one. Yeah, index is B. The first one. Yep. Here is the indices. And whatever we have written right now, to read it, we can just simply again go back. Search equal to pretty true. Where we have to go to ABC. Yeah, it is. I don't know what it is. Here is the thing I have written there. It can be seen here. Now let's go back the same way I have put it here. Let's use the delete command. Acknowledged. Nah, it's deleted. And now what we can do is that write delete. Let's see. Nothing can be found here. So in this way the attacker can delete, copy, delete, create anything they want. They want the garbage, they can read data, they can delete data, and anything they want. Now coming to the thing about finding the devices online. By the way, please read my blog. I have written. Now let's see. Here it is. Here let's say in the Elasticsearch. Now write Censys Elasticsearch. Here is the software product. Command is Elasticsearch. Here you can see all the devices. 55,555. What a good number. IPs around the world that are using Elasticsearch that has been exposed here. Good work. Here you can see 9205 is Elasticsearch, 9200 Elasticsearch. So anybody can open it up, try to exploit it. If their data is free, then sky is the limit what they can do. So that's all. Thank you.